Alright. This is going to be the first try to start the EM2 here after I did the valve job on it and tried to do a little bit of a new seat for those valves, so let's see if it wants to run now. I have compression, alright. Alright. It was vibrating a whole bunch there, so we gotta move it over. Move the camera. Try this again. Alright, it's running really rich. I guess I better try and lean it down a little bit more before we see how long it'll run. Alright, we'll try this for a bit and see how long it goes.